Hello guys, my name is Chanu SK and today I would like to show you a very important topic. So this is a display GL account balance line item in SAP. So display GL account balance line item in SAP. So that is I am going to share it right now. And see in the earlier video I have already shown how to post rent related transactions. So rent invoice worth is 3000 rupees and this is rent account data to bank account. This is the entry which I have already posted. And now I just want to look at this entry, how it was reflected in GL ledger. So this is the transaction code. This is the transaction code to look at display GL account balance line item in SAP, and the transaction code is FBL3N. FBL3N, guys. Now I will show how to review the balances in GL. See, this is the end user screen already mentioned, where accountants will post the entries over here, and FBL3N, this is the transaction code, and this is the command field, and click enter. Now I would like to check the balances of particular GL account. See guys, click this button, drill down, and you can see I just want to see the rent account balances. Click rent account, and this is my company code, and I would like to see the open item 0205, the date which I am entering over here. Okay, it is 06. You can type where you want to see the open items, and you see, now execute this button. So this is the rent. This is the completely rent account balances. So where I have posted, and document numbers and everything is there, and in the previous video already posted fourth document. So that is worth is 3000 rupees, and that is rent account. So it's already showing 10,000 rupees is posted. And go back. Now I would like to see the bank account. So bank account balances, see, this is the SBI bank account. Click this button and execute. So this is the bank balance, 10,000 matches. So everything is done, and no everything what we have posted, so everything is matched. See, this is the GL account line item display. This is the GL account, so SBI bank account, and this is my company code, and there is no business area mentioned over there. And see, this is the assignment numbers, and this is document numbers which I have posted, and the type, it is GL. So GL document is SCA, and document date is also mentioned over here, and PK is the credit posting key, and amounts are 3000, 1000, and the posting date also mentioned over there. So in respect of rent account, we have posted credit balances. So this is the way generally we look into the GL account line items. And thank you guys for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.